welcome to my channel. So today I'll be discussing about methods of striking an art. So before that, let's discuss first our objectives. The main objectives of our study are first, identify the methods of striking an art. Second, prepare all the materials needed in striking an art. And last, observe safety precautions in welding. Okay class, today papakita ko or i-discuss natin yung mga materials needed and equipment needed in this topic. So first, I'm going to discuss the materials needed. Today we're going to use electrode with 3.2 millimeter diameter or 1/8 diameter electrode. So ito po yun, electrode. So yung mga local welder po ang tawag nila dito ay welding rod. But sa book, sa mga textbook or any modules, ang ginagamit na term is electrode. Next, so we're going to use, of course, set of PPE. So we have the earmuffs, welding mask, gloves or welding gloves, safety shoes, and leather apron or cover apron. We also need, of course, our welding machine with welding accessories. Para bigyan pa kayo ng isang malinaw na discussion, pwede nyo balikan yung mga previous topic natin o videos na in-upload ko sa YouTube. So, about sa PPE and then sa pagsiset up ng welding machine. Ayos ba yun? Okay. After this presentation of materials and equipment needed for striking an art, I'm going to discuss the two methods of striking an art. So we have scratching method and tapping method. So what are those methods? So let's start with scratching method. Now the question is, what is scratching method? Scratching method, it is done by scratching the electrode to the base metal, just like scratching a match. So para ka lang nagkikis-kis ng or nagsisindi ng palito. While tapping method is done by moving the electrode downward, so just like tapping the base metal. So ayos ba yun mga kabakal? Okay mga kabakal, before we proceed to our performance task, of course we need to wear our PPE. So handa na ba kayo mga kabakal? So class, as you can see, I'm ready na because I'm already wearing my PPE as well as the welding machine is already set up. So I am now ready to perform scratching method and tapping method. Okay, before we proceed sa actual performance natin class, I'm going to discuss the motions of your hand while you are doing your scratching and tapping method. So, as I said a while ago, scratching method is like scratching a match. So, kung na-imagine niyo yung sarili nyo na nagsisindi ng palito sa phosphor nyo, so just ganun din ang scratching method. So, yung motion ng kamay nyo from, kung kayo ay right-handed, from left to right. So, just like this. And of course, don't forget to wear your welding mask kapag meron na po tayong electricity or meron tayong power na ginagamit. So, next is tapping method. So, tapping method, on the other hand, is like is moving your electrode downward and tapping the base metal. So, parang idinudot-dot nyo lang yung inyong electrode doon sa bakal. Now, the question is, para saan to? What is the importance of striking an art or scratching and tapping method? So, class, the importance of these methods is to preheat your electrode so that para makapag-deposit kayo ng stringer beads na maayos. Always remember na yung ating electrode ay nasa normal temperature. So, kung nasa normal temperature siya, kailangan niya i-preheat. So that's why nag-scratch tayo at nag-tap tayo ng electrode to preheat the electrode. So may mga instances din na meron tayong mga nagagamit na electrode na basa, or since kailangan natin siyang gamitin dahil wala lang tayong choice, pinipreheat niya. Pwede pa naman gamitin yun by preheating the electrode. Kung may oven tayo, pwede natin yun gamitin. Pero kung wala, pwede natin siya through scratching and tapping method. Napipreheat na yung ating electrode. That's the importance of scratching and tapping method. So, ngayon naman, set up na natin with electricity or with our welding machine. Just like what I said, sa previous topic natin, tinuruan ko kayo mag-set up ng welding machine. So, I hope mga kabakal, alam niyo na kung paano kayo mag-set up ng welding machine. First, we're going to demonstrate the scratching method. Then, next is the topping method. These methods will help the beginners or welders, especially those who are beginners, to preheat your electrode. And then, at the same time, hindi kayo mahirapan mag-strike ng arc. Ayos ba yun?
Scratching method. It is done by scratching the electrode to the base metal like scratching a match. As the electrode scratches the base metal, an arc will be formed. It is simplest method for most beginners. While topping method, it is done by moving the electrode downward until it just stops the base metal, then bringing the electrode up slightly to form an arc with the same distances to the diameter of the electrode.
So ayun na nga mga kabakal, maraming salamat sa mga sumusubaybay at nanonood ng aming videos. At doon naman sa mga bagong nanonood o bagong viewers namin, don't forget to click the like and subscribe button para maabangan nyo pa at makita nyo pa ang mga susunod naming videos para sa atin at sa mga kabakal. Muli, maraming salamat.